What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Polygonians, we're going to go over Polygon, currently sitting at $1.59. We are seeing a little bit of correction here, so I wanted to drop in where I think we might find support here. So we're down about 2.5% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 10.3 billion. 24-hour volume is 823 million. Guys, make sure to sign up to crypto.com if you're new and sign up for one of their beautiful Visa cards where you get cash back in Crow, Spotify, Netflix, Prime for free, as well as travel incentives. And you get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So in yesterday's video, we talked about this inverse head and shoulders. Now, guys, if we were to come down to $1.55, it would invalidate this pattern, and it does look like we may come down to that level. We have lost the EMAs here on the daily as Bitcoin has fallen out of a rising wedge, and of course the rest of the market follows. All right, guys, so I wanted to drop in some levels of support. So we're here. Actually, I want to jump into the 4-hour time frame first. Hope you guys are well. I hope the pets are healthy and that you're achieving all your goals. So you can see here on the 4-hour time frame, we're starting to lose the 20 EMA. So I think that gives us a bit of a higher likelihood that we may come down to $1.55. Now, $1.55 could be a massive level of support. If we look here on the daily here, it's about $1.54. But you know, same difference. All right, guys. So if we do come down to this level of support, it's the golden ratio would be healthy for us to come down and back test it and allow the 20 EMA to catch up on the daily. When we were going through this correction, I was like, guys, there's a high likelihood that we're coming back down to find support along the 20 EMA, and then we're going to bounce. And that's exactly what happened, and we may see that again, where we come down to about $1.54, the 20 EMA catches back up to the candles, and we bounce. We see that continuation up to the 0.786 at $1.97. If we were to lose that level of support, let's actually go back into the 4-hour time frame. Let's see, if we were to lose that $1.55, $1.54, probably target right in this area. Let me drop it in. See the support in this area, previous swing low at about $1.41, but I think we have a high likelihood and a good chance of bouncing off $1.55. So let's pop into Ethereum, guys. So we're here on the 1-hour chart for Ethereum. You can also see that inverse head and shoulders for Ethereum as well, and we've actually broken the neckline, but it looks like we may fall back down. So what has happened, guys, is we just broke the previous swing high, but we've fallen back down. And I told you the only way that that double top pattern could play out is if we fall back down into the pattern, basically. But of course, that may not happen as we are in a very powerful uptrend, and that correction is quite large here. So what Ethereum might be doing is a small back test of support where we come down to the 0.786 on the Fibonacci. See the support in this area at about 3241. And then of course we have this major level. See all the support in this area about 3133. But we're going to look at Ethereum here on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see it more visibly here, that inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We just broke the neckline, but you can see we're coming back down. And you can see we're coming back down to test the 20 EMA on the 4-hour chart. So if we lose that level of support, do target 3241. You could also target this level, the golden ratio, at 3175 as support, and 3126. You can see right here that the volume is tampering off a little bit. So it is healthy for us to go through these corrections. As you can see with Bitcoin, we're falling out of our rising wedge, currently holding support of the 20 EMA on the 4-hour chart. If we lose that 48760, do target that as a little support. We are extremely greedy in the market right now, so the whales know to take profit or to go short. All right, guys, so do watch Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame to see if we find support along the 20 EMA. If you lose that level, do target 3241. All right, guys. So quick little update for Matic. It's healthy, guys. We pump, we go through small corrections, we find the 20 EMA on the daily, as you can see, and we continue to pump. So do keep an eye on that, guys. If we do come down over the next few days, we come down to $1.54. You see the 20 EMA start to creep up, and you see us find support, and we bounce to the upside. You're like, God bless Jax. But if we do lose that level, guys, that's always a possibility. You could also drop in this swing low here. $1.41 is quite far away from $1.55 in my opinion here. So we'll drop in this level here, right around $1.51. See this previous swing low, previous swing high, resistance in this area as well. So $1.51 can act as a level of support if we lose $1.55. But I do think there is that good chance if we come down to $1.55 or $1.54 that we see that bounce. We find support along the 20 EMA here, and then we continue. But if we were to see a throwback back to the upside, your next target is $1.97. Let me pop it over to the 1 hour time frame so it's more visible for you guys. If you were to see that throwback, we also have the 1.272 extension here at about $1.73. However, you can see we broke above the golden ratio, we hit resistance, and we fell back underneath it. So I do think $1.55 is a likely scenario. We lose that support target $1.51. It's healthy, guys. Pump correct, pump correct. It's very, very healthy. It works in beautiful waveforms. All right, guys, that's it for this. So make sure to sign up to Bybit so you don't get dinged with trading fees when you use limit order on Bybit with post only. They pay you. They don't take fees like other exchanges. Binance. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Follow me on social if you want to stay up to date with my life on Instagram. I'm not super active on Twitter recently. I'm more active in the Discord. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Much love. Peace.